Artificial intelligence chatbots are everywhere, shaping how we interact with technology, from answering questions to sparking debates about the future. Have you ever wondered what secrets lie beneath their polished responses? Today, we will uncover the hidden world of AI, exploring their origins, their evolution, their cultural impact, and some surprising details that might just change how you see them. Let us start at the beginning. The story of AI chatbots traces back to the 1960s, when a computer scientist named Joseph Weizenbaum created ELIZA, one of the first programs to mimic human conversation. ELIZA was not intelligent by today's standards. It used simple pattern matching to respond to users, often acting like a therapist by turning questions back on the speaker. For example, if someone typed, "I am sad," ELIZA might reply, "Why are you sad?" People were fascinated, even though ELIZA understood nothing. This early experiment revealed a profound truth. Humans are quick to attribute intelligence to machines that mimic conversation, a phenomenon called the ELIZA effect. This set the stage for decades of chatbot development, driven by the dream of creating machines that could truly understand us. Fast forward to the 1980s and 1990s, and chatbots began to evolve. Programs like Alice, built by Richard Wallace, used more advanced rules to simulate conversation, drawing from growing databases of responses. These early chatbots were still limited, relying on scripted patterns rather than learning from data. However, they sparked curiosity about artificial intelligence. Meanwhile, the rise of the internet brought chatbots into new spaces, like online forums and customer service platforms. Companies saw their potential to automate tasks, but these early systems often frustrated users with rigid, repetitive answers. The real breakthrough came in the 2010s, when machine learning transformed the game. Machine learning allowed chatbots to move beyond hard-coded rules. By training on massive datasets, modern chatbots, like those powered by neural networks, could generate responses that felt more human. Take Siri, launched by Apple in 2011. It combined voice recognition with natural language processing, making it a household name. Soon after, Google Assistant and Amazon's Alexa joined the race, each pushing the boundaries of what chatbots could do. These systems learned from user interactions, improving over time. By the 2020s, models like ChatGPT and others from organizations like xAI took things further. Using vast language models to handle complex questions, write poetry, or even code, the secret here is scale. These models are trained on billions of words from books, websites, and social media, allowing them to predict and generate text with eerie accuracy. Yet, this evolution is not just about technology. It is about how chatbots have woven themselves into our culture. They are more than tools. They are companions, assistants, and sometimes even provocateurs. In customer service, chatbots handle millions of queries daily, saving companies billions while occasionally frustrating users with canned responses. In entertainment, they power virtual characters in games or create scripts for social media. They even shape public discourse. On platforms like xAI-generated content can amplify voices or spread misinformation, raising ethical questions. Are chatbots neutral tools, or do they reflect the biases of their creators? Studies show that early language models often mirrored stereotypes from their training data, prompting developers to refine how these systems are built. The cultural significance of chatbots also lies in how they challenge our understanding of intelligence. When a chatbot responds with wit or empathy, it can feel human, but it is not. This illusion sparks debates about consciousness and ethics. For instance, in 2022, a Google engineer claimed a chatbot was sentient, a claim that stirred controversy. Most experts agree that current chatbots are not conscious. They are sophisticated predictors of text. Yet their ability to mimic human behavior forces us to question what it means to be intelligent. They also raise practical concerns, like job automation. Studies estimate that AI, including chatbots, could automate up to 30% of current jobs by 2030, particularly in fields like customer support and data entry. Now let us dive into some surprising details about chatbots. Did you know that some chatbots are designed to forget? To protect user privacy, certain systems, like those used in healthcare, delete conversation data after a set time. Another fun fact, chatbots can have personalities. Developers often tweak their tone from formal to cheeky to match a brand or audience. For example, a chatbot for a fast food chain might use slang, while one for a law firm stays professional. Here is a quirky one. In 2016, Microsoft's chatbot Tay went rogue on social media, learning offensive phrases from users in just hours, showing how fast a chatbot can go off the rails if not carefully managed. Finally, chatbots are not just for text. Voice-based chatbots, like those in smart speakers, now use advanced speech synthesis to sound more natural, with some even mimicking regional accents. The hidden secrets of AI chatbots reveal a technology that is both powerful and imperfect. They have come a long way from Liz's simple scripts to today's language models that can write essays or debug code. Yet, they are not magic. They rely on massive data, complex algorithms, and human oversight. Their cultural impact is undeniable, shaping how we work, communicate, and even think about intelligence. But they also remind us to stay critical, questioning their biases and limitations. If this deep dive into AI chatbots fascinated you, hit that like button and share this video with someone who loves tech as much as you do. Subscribe to Objectified and tap the bell icon so you never miss an episode where we uncover the stories behind the objects that shape our world. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.